that we were the ones against, but we were with you. Are you with me? As one of the ones waiting for the world to wish that we were gone, explode inside itself and turn us into nothing like everything else. The tourist waved as we walked by. I said, hey, yeah, we're doing just fine. We fought the rulers and the ruled, but our heads rolled without a sound. I sold a part to my skin I didn't need to breathe or see. The world was a better place when you were with me. Are you with me?